If you have a whole bunch of claims that you need to get updated or added, then it can be very cumbersome to add them one by one. In such cases, you might want to try out the Import Claims via Excel feature. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update claims using this very feature. Just to give us a bit of perspective on this, let's see what a claim form looks like. The claim form is divided into two parts, client info and claim info. In client info section, you enter the client's name, email, address, etc. And in the claim info section, you enter specific details about that claim. Example, cause of loss, date of loss, insurance adjusters assigned, etc., etc. So, when you upload claims via an Excel file, you will need to make sure you have columns for each of these fields that you want to update. Okay, now let's see what I want to import. Here's my Excel sheet. As you can see, we have here the columns for the client's name, email, phone number, property and mailing address, claim number, policy number, cause of loss, etc., etc. Let's try to import this onto my Organized Adjuster account. After you log in, you'll be on the Claims table page. You will need to click on the Import Files via Excel button. This button will take you to the Import page. Here you can drag and drop your file. Okay, so it says my file has been uploaded. Click Next. Now it asks, what do you want to do with the records in this file? You may want to add all the rows as new claims, or you may want to update the existing claims. Let's choose the Add as New Claims option and click Next. On this screen, we're shown 4 columns. On the first column, we see Fields and File. These are the header names that we had in our Excel file. On the second column, it asks us to choose the fields on a way that they should be mapped to. On the third and fourth column, it shows the data of the first 2 rows of the spreadsheet just to help us get an idea of what the column was all about. Up here, you can see 3 tabs. Currently, we're on All tab, which shows us all the columns. The Mapped tab shows you the count of how many columns it was already able to automatically map and how many have not been mapped yet. Let's go to the Unmapped tab and see what could not be mapped. You might be wondering, what is mapping? Mapping is when you tell OA in which field you need this column to import into. Here it shows that I have a column named Client1 First Name in my file. I would want it to load data into the Client First Name field on OA. So let me find that here and select it. So similarly, let me go ahead and map the rest of the fields. Okay, on to our last step. If you want to go back and make any changes, use the previous button to go back to the previous steps. And if you're ready to submit this file for import, click Finish. So depending upon the number of rows in your file, it can take from a few seconds to a few minutes. You will receive an email as well as a desktop notification to let you know that the import is complete. In the lower right corner, I can see that my import has been completed. Here it also gives me an option to view the import summary. So let's go ahead and view it. It says here that total rows in my file were 9, out of which 9 were added as new claims, 0 claims updated, 0 skipped. Before I did this import, I did not have any claims, so now let me go to the claims table and check if I can see the new claims added there. Alright, I can see that my 9 claims are showing up here as expected. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.